Picture na ito, very controversial ito ngayon sa social media. Edited daw ito. Kasi meron pong balita, 30 million na po ang ininvest ng tropa ninyo para manalo doon sa 690 million na yan. Kung kinakailang hanggang madaling araw tayo na alas 12 rito, Comsec, mag-ready ka nga ng mga kumot banig dyan. 2,000 na mga lotto agents. Pinatay nyo. Meron kayong pinatay na pagkarami-rami, libo ang pinatay ninyo. Isa lang ang inyong binuhay kapalit ng 2,000.
That is baseless, I would tell you. I'm sorry, but I think the figures will show
Who
that...
are you to say it's baseless?
Mr. Chairman.
Wait a minute. 2,000 na talagang given na yung numbers na sinasabi niya. Am I right, Ms. Javier?
Yes, Chair, you're correct.
So meron kayong 2,000 na pinatay nyo.
It is not,
Let's
Mr. Chairman.
pinatay nyo. Let me finish and then let you talk. 2,000 ang tinanggalan nyo ng nabuhay. Pinatay nyo.
Hindi po ako may gawa niyan, Mr. Chairman. Dumating po ako awarded.
under your watch.
Mr. Chairman, it is not under my watch.
Napag-alaman na edited ang viral picture na nanalo umano sa loto ng 43 million jackpot prize noong December 23, 2023, pero ayon sa source, ay empleyado lamang mismo ng PCSO ang pinanalo, at matagal na umanong kalakalan ito.
Nung time po na nag-order po ng machine na 6,500, kayo na po yung nakaupo.
Your Honor, that is a big lie. That is a big lie. Our records will bear us out. I will have to correct this because this is a very, very big lie. And if she's under oath, Your Honor, she will be in trouble.
Ulitin ko po, paulit-ulit na lang tayo rito para mas maintindihan natin. Regarding launching of new games with a game proponent of an agent on an experimental test run basis, yan na yung iloto.
Your Honor, if I may, iLotto po is not a new game. Existing na po ang loto natin. Yan po yung...
We're talking about the experimental electronic lotto.
It's a betting platform, Your Honor.
At pinabasa mo sa akin to, ba't pa ako mag-issue ng sulat ng ganon?
To be very clear, this is on a test run.
Exactly, precisely.